What you are watching right now is 1 million man march for Mr. Peter Obi, a presidential contestant under the platform of the People's Democratic Party. And okay, we want to speak with another supporter of Mr. Peter Obi. Sir, may we know your name?
My name is Pastor Basikal is my name.
Okay, we understand that there is a 1 million man march going on for Mr. Peter Obi.
Yeah, we want to tell Nigeria that we need somebody like Peter Obi who can turn Nigeria around from confusion era to area of corruption.
Okay. Do you think he will win the PDP ticket?
Yes, I believe he will win. I don't see any person basing on merit as a politician and as a technocrat. I never see any person who can rival the profile of Peter Obi in PDP.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Like we told you earlier, this very particular 1 million march for Mr. Peter Obi took off from Okpara Square here in Enugu. The 1 million man march for Mr. Peter Obi presidential bid have just arrived the PDP headquarters here in GRA, Enugu. Okay, standing before us is
Barrister Mrs. Enugu.
Okay.
Coordinator Enugu Bona.
Coordinator Enugu Bona. Okay. This
Instauration of Peter Obi from 2023.
And this very particular 1 million man march took up from Okpara Square up to this very place. What is it for?
It is because we have seen, we have tested, and we have eaten that Peter Obi is a trusted and tested human being we can ever vouch for in Nigeria from 2023. We need somebody that can put Nigeria back to status quo. And that is the major reason why so many groups that we are seeing here today come out in their own free will as a sacrifice to pay this great respect to Nigeria, to ensure that come 2023 that we have right candidates. And that right candidate is no other person than Peter George. He's been our governor in Anambra State. He has promised us that he's going to turn our youth from consumption to productivity. And I think with that, our country is going to get back to where we used to be.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
May we know your name, sir?
My name is Ezra. I am lecturer institute. I am here to join other well-meaning Nigerians to establish that we want things to change in Nigeria. And the way it can change is to bring a weight creator like Peter Obi onto the saddle of Nigerian regime. That is why we are here. To demonstrate it practically that we are serious about what we are doing.
Okay, lastly, as a lecturer, do you believe he can turn the educational system of Nigeria around?
He has done it before. When he came as a governor of Anambra State, the position of the state was 20-something in WAEC performances. When he came, he took over and became first until he finished. And so he has a track record and he has said it. And so any other person must say what he has done, the position he has had before, to see if he can compare with what he did. Obi is miles and miles away from the rest.
Thank you very much, sir. As you can see, the youth that have staged this very 1 million man march support for Mr. Peter Obi are saying, so the